Oh, this is 15 amps and it's running. But look at the voltage. It's already dropping. So what happens at lower loads? I built this 12-volt battery pack from old cells. So let's test it properly. From low to high load, let's start at 5 amps. Stable? Yes, really stable. Voltage barely drops. No problem here. Now let's go to 10 amps. Still working, but now look at the voltage. You can see the voltage starting to drop. This is where things start to change. But it's still holding. Okay? Now let's push it to 15 amps. And there it is. Voltage drops much faster, even though it's still running. So this battery works, but not at higher load. Why is that? This comes down to internal resistance. These batteries were used for a long time. As current increases, the battery can't keep the voltage stable, so it drops more and more. Now watch this. Look at the screen. The voltage comes back up. So the battery isn't empty. It just can't deliver power fast enough. And this is exactly why tunes feel weak. Not because the battery is dead, but because it's overloaded. So this pack works, just not at every load. I think it will run probably at 5 to 10 amps. Would you use it at 15 amps or keep it at 5 to 10 amps? I test batteries like this all the time. So if you want to see what actually works, hit subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.